Greetings everyone, Carter Heiser, owner of Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota. Let me walk you around this 2017 Ford Flex Limited, all-wheel drive with the EcoBoost. Let me tell you, if I needed a family hauler, this would be it. All-wheel drive, seating for 7, 3 rows, has heated cooled seats up front, factory remote start, heated steering wheel, shift paddles, factory navigation, Sync 3. It's monochromatic, it's white, platinum, so it's the pearl white. Got the 20-inch alloys that are aluminum. 2 owners, no accidents, independently inspected, fresh oil change. We're going to buy you a 12-month, 12,000-mile powertrain warranty that's good nationwide. You can upgrade that reasonably. See it at Autorama Auto Sales, Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. Remember, we're the dealer without the outrageous hidden fees.